Hi guys, ako karon sa Chocolate Factory. Chocolate Factory guys. Pakita na ko sa inyo mga klase mga Chocolate Factory. Sorry dili. Okay, mag-wear tag mask. Dili not allowed, do not wearing mask. So here guys, na sila klaseng mga chocolate factory caramel chocolate factory siya guys. Mga chocolate ni siya tanan guys. And candy. Candy.
You don't want no knife napkins, right?
Yeah. Won't be eating that push right away.
Okay.
Let me know what that is and
Chocolate guys.
So that is. I'm very waiting, you guys. I'm waiting for you while I'm waiting on him. Can I help you start real quick? You want one of those? These are, yeah. Okay, well, I'll see, I see, yeah, I knew you were actually next in line, so.
Chocolate.
You got your orders. Okay. So do you want any more than just two of the battle ones? I got you two of the shot glasses, and then one with that,
chocolate. Yeah, the chocolate. I had to do one. Rinse it with some fluid. Wow. Roasted nut.
Yeah, November 17th, yeah. I can, what was your name? Right? Okay. Well, these ain't gonna count right now, I find it for right now. So, but, okay.
Hey.
Get that later.
You need you.
24 here.
Two.
Okay, 2438. I'll look that up next time you guys can make sure. Yeah, sure, I just really Yeah, exactly. Okay, bye.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Two.
Thank you. Okay, honey.
A dark and light marshmallow.
So guys, bye na guys. Kay mamili na ko kung sa mong paliton diri sa Chocolate Factory diri sa Carson City. Thank you chocolate tree guys. Ilibog ka kung sa imong kuan, kung sa imong paliton. So bye guys. Thank you for watching my vlog.